the back. So I just took off my head wrap, my doek, and we're gonna start with the hairstyle. 5, 6, I think that will do. Just same for your second bundle. I'm gonna take this rubber band, put it underneath, and take that end and pull it to make something like this. And join it to your ponytail. And then you're gonna split that hair the way it's split there. You're going to take it from the end. I don't know why this part is shorter than that, but oh well, it will have to do. And then you're gonna work from the tip. I don't know if you can see. You're gonna work from the tip, from the tip of the hair, and you're gonna fold into itself like a little bun. On the tip, you start from the tip and you roll it inward, so it has to be like so, and then you secure it with a bobby pin. Underneath, and you grab some of your hair. Let's check that. So far it looks a bit like this. Let's see. Like this. You placed it so both sides appear like this. You take this part, you put it over this part over the thumb, and then you pull this, and it's like this. You create a little, see? So after that, you take this piece and then you go over your bun. So just make sure that it's like this. See, it looks weird. Mari, by the end of this, you will be looking like, yes, snatched. What do the people say? You'll be looking, you'll be ready for any event. So yeah, so you take this part, don't mind these two little ears of your natural hair, we'll just tuck them inside, just join them to this hair piece. So you take that, remember that you are always rolling inside, like towards your head, not on the other side, inside. So you take that and you start rolling rolling, 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 like dough. Rolling, 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 rolling. And once it's there, you just grab your bobby pin again and pin it down. So guys, this front part, you're just gonna twist it up. So this you can do however you desire. You can just twist it up, gather it, use lots and lots of bobby pins. Just manipulate it to the shape that you desire.